Hi guys, I am Hitesh and this product is Tags Mania. Now this product, what type of the problems this product will solve? Actually, this is completely a informational product you can see, okay, which will teach you how to use hashtags guys. This is about hashtags. That's why this name is Tags Mania. Okay, so on 8 social media platforms, it will show you how you can get so much traffic by using hashtags. Okay, even if you are advanced and intermediate, but just because of even if you are advanced and intermediate, still you don't know how to get a perfect traffic on your offers, on your page or on your post. Okay, but this is completely friendly with newbie also. But if you are intermediate and advanced, just you can go ahead, because after that even you are struggling, okay, for getting traffic from tags. Okay, so tags mania will help you to do all those things. Lots of free additional training and resources you will get. No tech skills needed, totally newbie friendly. So guys, in a nutshell, this product will help you to get traffic from different eight most important 10 social media platforms. So it means you will get traffic from different type of the eight social medias, okay guys, on your offer, on your page, or whatever your business you are running. So this is member access area guys. Okay, when you will click any of this button, you will just redirect on this page, and here you will get some more in-depth information. So guys, let's leave this all things. This is member access area. We will discuss each and everything. Okay guys, so you can just see here, this is overview. I'm just going to show you. This is welcome video. You can see this is okay. So you will get some welcome and some all these groups links. Okay, some every group, so that like-minded people you will get there to support you. Okay, when prompt used to transfer this, and you can just go ahead with this. This is again Shelly Turner YouTube channel, because these three people are the creator of this product, guys. Okay, so this is again one more welcome video. Actually, this is not only welcome video, you will get inside something. Okay, this is 1 minute video, you can say. This is also a 3 minute video. This is, and this is 2 minute video. Okay guys, so this is done from my side. This is welcome area. Now this is the overview. Now you will get main overview. Okay, what you are going to do in tax mania, that type of the information you will get inside this. Okay, so this is 2 minute video, you can say. Now this is the main training guys. Now main training is going to start from here, and you will learn the main things here. Okay, even if you are intermediate and advanced in online marketing or IM industry, but still I'm not sure, but maybe many people are not using hashtags method. Okay, even if they know. Okay, and even if they are intermediate or advanced, it maybe they don't have complete knowledge about this. Okay, so when you pick up this product, which is Taxmania, you are already watching on your screen. So when you pick up this product, you will just get inside deep secrets of hashtags, guys. Okay, that is the main purpose of this product, guys. Okay, so this is the introducing the training. This is module number one. Okay, so 3 minute video it is. What is hashtag? Now you will learn each and everything from scratch, from zero. 4 minute video it is. Now this is history of hashtags. So it is also you should know this. This is 4 minute video again. Now from here you will get play. You will actually start playing with hashtags. Okay, in your journey, in your work. So this is 3 minute video. Why use hashtag? You will just learn in this video. This is 3 minute video again. Hashtag tips, uh, 6 minute video guys. Okay, it will definitely going to work for you guys. You should go ahead with this. Now 6 ways to find hashtag, guys. This will be game changing. Okay guys, this will be game changing, because people don't know this. I'm sure people don't know this. Okay, but you, if you will know this, you will just break the competition, guys. 7 minute video you can see here. Okay, so you will learn in depth in this video. Okay, now module one conclusion and how to use resources. You will get some resources in this video. So this is module one. Now this is module two. We will go ahead with that. So this is 3 minute video. Okay, module one conclusion. How to use resources. So you will just know each and everything, how to use all these links. Okay, which I already shown you. Okay, in here in welcome of section. This is 2 minute video, guys. Okay, you will know each and everything, how to use all that links and how to multiply the your profit and all these things by using all these things and options, guys. Okay, now this is training number two. So guys, now here you will now get the game changing things, guys. Okay, you are already watching, okay, what you are going to get. So this is introduction of the module 2. Okay, so this is overview, brief overview, what you will learn inside this. This is 2-minute video. Now this is one more overview, because before starting something you should know some basics. Okay guys, if you don't follow the rules, policies and basics, so you will again become fail. Okay, so that's why this overview and this introduction generally people keep in the training. Okay, so don't underestimate this, guys. Okay, just go and watch this if you pick up this point. Okay, this product. Okay, so this for tweeters. Okay, so 12-minute video it is. Okay, you will learn definitely. I am also not using as hashtag properly. Okay, even if you are advanced and intermediate, I'm sure you are not using hashtags properly. So if you are intermediate and if you are advanced, so you will know each and everything about hashtags, how to use properly. And if you are newbie, so from scratch, from zero, you should start this properly and perfectly, then you will be able to get traffic, guys. Okay, so this is about Facebook. This is 8-minute video. This is about Instagram. You can see here directly. So let's see how much knowledge you are going to get inside this. So this is again 12-minute video, guys, about Instagram. You can see here. Now this is YouTube, guys. YouTube always, guys, nice platform. Okay, I'm working on YouTube already. You are watching this video on YouTube, so 6-minute video you are going to get here. Okay guys, now this is LinkedIn. Again guys, this all platforms you cannot compare with each other. Why? Because on Twitter you will get two types of the people. Okay, some seekers, some looking type of the people, and some mature people also. On LinkedIn always you will see some B2B type people, B2C type people, always professional type of the people. On YouTube you will see mix up. On Instagram and Facebook you will see mix up. Okay, so you have to just filter on this. Okay, on Instagram you will see maximum teenagers. Okay, so they generally pass out and they are generally looking for something, okay, on online work or internet marketing industry. So that's how you have to target all these platforms, and all these learnings you will get inside this. Okay guys, so this is LinkedIn. You can see this is again 8-minute video. This is Pinterest, guys. Pinterest is again a not only social media, guys, it is again one more search engine. Okay, this is equal to search engine, so don't underestimate, guys, this. Okay, 13 or 14-minute video you are getting here. This is Pinterest hashtag. Okay, so always you will get more CTR, good click, good number of traffic, good number of sales conversion leads from traffic. Okay, from Pinterest, if you are using Pinterest. Okay guys, so now this is TikTok, guys. TikTok is working in other countries also. In some countries it is not working, but no worry, we have to focus on our work. Okay, we don't have to go with another things. 7-minute video you are going to get for the TikTok. Now this is Tumblr, guys. I'm also using Tumblr. Okay, this is for blogs and something like a written and copywriting type of the platform it is. Okay, so this is 12-minute video again, guys. Okay, and always on Tumblr you have to use your hashtags. Without hashtag you will not get any type of the traffic on your Tumblr, guys. Okay, I'm telling you, here you will get conclusion. So it's okay, you can just go ahead and you can just watch what will be inside this. Okay, again 3-minute video it is. So I'm just closing this one. This is module 2. Now here are some resources, guys. Okay, so let's see. Brown beer bargains, free squeeze pages, guys. Okay, so actually these things are good, guys. Okay, because for this people have to just good do, they generally do the hard work for that again. So access your big bundle of products here. So let's see what is coming. I'm just opening this in new link. Till then we will go ahead with this. It is going to open here, guys. Okay, whatever it is, I just clicked and I just move forward. This is brown beer bargains is opening here. Okay, so it's just going to open. Let's see what will come here, and then later we will move forward. Okay, so it is taking time, so we should just go ahead. Later it will be done. We will come back again on the point. So this is free squeeze pages. Okay, something like landing pages, opt-in pages. Okay, squeeze page, something like opt-in page. So you will get some leads, okay, to perform your email marketing campaign on that. So again you will get some resource. So let's see what is coming inside this also. This is brown beer bargains. It's not opened, guys, so let me just refresh this one. It is taking time, but guys, if you want to go ahead, so you should take perfect knowledge about each and everything, guys. So it is taking time. This is free gift is coming for squeeze pages. So just okay, brown beer bargains. Okay, guys. So you have to just create your account. Okay, just put your password, whatever. Okay, just put and you will just create your accounts. Okay, so I will just tell you later. Okay, before that, we should move forward with our back with our dashboard. Okay, so here you will get some templates. See, download my templates now. By using these templates, you will be able to get some leads. Okay, and this will be attention grabbing. So definitely you will get some increment in your numbers, okay, of getting some leads, clicks, or whatever you can say. Okay, so done from this side. Now this is conclusion. So you can just go ahead with this, guys. Conclusion is okay. In this, you will just get how to perform all these things perfectly. Okay, 2-minute video it is. Just you should give a time here. Okay, some bonuses you will get, how to access your bonuses and all, guys. Upgrades and some upgrades. If you want to go ahead, some audios, you can go ahead. Generally I don't explain some all time audios and upgrades in my videos, but actually it's your decision, guys. Okay, you have to go ahead with that or not. Okay, guys, so these are some unadvertised bonuses, guys. Okay, so you will get some, actually you will get too much bonuses. So let's see. For example, this one. So see, Amazon high ticket Rolodex guide. Okay, guys, and here you will get. Let's open it. Back to basics, and actually too much things you are going to get, guys. Okay, so don't just focus on this. Just focus on main training section 1. Okay, and main training section 2, because from this training you will start getting some traffic and results. Okay, guys, so just now this is brown beer about like something like that. So I'm just going to show you what is coming inside this. Okay, so just let me show you and give me 1 minute time, and I will be able to show you what is coming inside the brown beer bargains, guys. Okay, so this is free gift. I'm just closing this one. This is about squeeze pages, and just let's see what is coming inside this. So guys, it is opening. Again, you are going to get some member access area, and guys, this one is more than this. Okay, actually bigger than this. See, this is, here you will get some 8 to 9 points, 3 3 3, yes, 9. But here you will see, I think you are getting some more, see some more features here, guys. Okay, okay, guys, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, too much things, guys. Okay, so brown beer bargains, all these products you are going to get, guys. Okay, you have to just listen, guys. Okay, actually you have to just understand, learn, and just apply, guys, all these things, guys. Okay, see, Panther profits, Puma products, Panda payments, Macau Mula, Halloween methods, second wave system. For example, I'm clicking on the second wave system. See, access this product here, guys. So guys, you are just getting not only tags mania only, guys. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, you are not going only tax mania, you are just going to get so much things you cannot even imagine, guys. This is tax mania. So you are not going to get only tax mania, you are going to get too much products. You cannot even count them. Okay, see, my products around more than 20 plus, guys, 30 plus maybe. Okay, yes, 20 plus, 100%, 20 plus products you have to just access from here, guys. Okay, so this is my products, all upsells. I think you are going to get top marketers products. So these products are doing very well. Okay, so if I will go ahead with this, okay, it will take too much time, guys. Okay, but no worry, we'll see what will happen. You will get all these things, and your learnings will be too much, guys. Okay, if you go ahead with this, see, you have to just create account. This is second wave system, which I clicked in front of you. Just click, just create your account and just go ahead. Something like I created with this brown beer bargains, guys. Okay, so I hope, guys, you got my point. Okay, I just made this video for tags. Okay, for hashtags and text media product, and I hope you got all this my review and all these things. And even if you have any doubt, you can just go and just ask me. Okay, some bonuses you are going to get directly inside, which I already shown here. Okay, you and main information I just put here, main perfect information what you are going to get inside this product. Just go through the link below, you will redirect on this page. Okay, and here you will get some all information, main information. Click any yellow button, okay, on this page, and you will just redirect on main page where it is here. Okay, and from this page you will get more in-depth explained information, and just take action on that page, and later you will be able to see the member access area. Okay, this one and this one also, guys. Okay, actually it is taking time, guys, but I already shown you what you are going to get. See this one. Okay, this one also you are going to get, and all these products you are going to get. Okay, something like this. You have to just create your account and you have to just go ahead, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side, guys. Okay, we will meet another time with next masterpiece. Till then, bye, guys.